So in this video is for NEET 2021 aspirants. I wanted to remind you one specific thing which I have said before, and I will keep reminding you till NEET exam. It is very, very important that you complete all 96 chapters in NEET syllabus. You cannot say to yourself that I'm going to leave 3, 4, 5 chapters and I will score in the remaining chapters the cutoff marks. The problem that is happening is NEET exam has changed significantly. It is a problem or it is an opportunity, you can decide. But the reality of the thing is NEET exam has changed significantly since NTA started conducting the exam. What has changed? This year in NEET 2020, between 590 and 595, there are around 5,000 students, approximately 5,000 students, which means if you do not attempt one question because you did not do the chapter, your rank will go down by 5,000 positions, right? And you know how many seats are there in government colleges. So this is a risky thing, right? In our time, when I gave IIT exam in 97, I scored 131 out of 300 and I got a rank of 1934 and I got into IIT Delhi, right? My co-founder Jayaprakash, in JEE Advanced, his score was 125 out of 180 and his rank was 44 and he got into IIT Bombay, right? These are not the type of exams that are coming in NEET now. The cutoff this year was 614. 614 all India level means through all India counseling, if you are general category, you are going to get the last seat of the worst government college in the country. That is the reality, right? That is why it is important that you don't leave any chapter, because you don't know. It is possible that question from rotational motion is easier than question from digestion and absorption. You can't say to yourself, I'm going to be very good in digestion and absorption, but I'm not going to do rotational motion. You will run a significant risk of this problem, right? And what does completing the chapter means? I've told you a lot of times, completing the chapter, right? Completing the chapter means you watch videos, you take notes while watching videos. After that, you read NCERT. And you're watching videos before reading NCERT so that you understand NCERT, right? And third thing is, you practice physics, chemistry, and biology questions from this logic greater than 50% and from NCERT green tag. This is enough from the perspective of NEET. Please understand, this is enough. And if you want to do hard questions, this makes it easy and medium questions if you know the filter which is there on neetprep.com, right? If you want to do hard questions, no one is stopping you from doing it. We have not removed those questions which are of higher level, which the kind of questions which are not coming in NEET now. But do them after you have finished all 96 chapters by this logic. Extremely, 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 extremely important. If you are going to waste your time thinking that I'm going to become a master of 4, 5, 6, 7 chapters, that gives you happiness. That will not give you selection in NEET exam. Understand this. That is why if you are jack of all trade and master of none, that is good, that is not bad. Because that is the reality of NEET exam today. That was not the reality in my time. And it was not the reality in JP's time. These kind of papers are not coming anymore. We have done a lot of effort in trying to arrange, trying to accommodate our paper as per this new reality. We have changed a lot of significant things. We have put all of these things exactly for this reason, because NTA is communicating, they are going to give a type of paper. The level is going to be exactly NCERT based. All the facts are going to be in NCERT. Paper is not going to be outside NCERT, but that has meant that the cutoffs have gone up, and for you to survive in a high cutoff environment, you have to make sure that you have to finish all 96 chapters. Hopefully you have understood what I'm trying to tell you. Ask me in comment section if you have not understood anything, but please understand this thing, that you cannot lose sight of the fact that if you're not going to finish 96 chapters, you are running a significant risk of not being able to attempt a question or two, and that will significantly bring down your rank. Hopefully you have understood. Any question not understood, ask me in the comment section of the video. All right, students.